We've got a great package for you today. It is a 2007 Sea Ray 245 Sundance. It's equipped with the Mercruiser 350 mag. It has 70 hours on a brand new block. The boat overall is showing quite well. Let's get into it and have a look. Okay, this boat is showing quite well. Starting at the bow, it has a CQR anchor along with electric windlass. The exterior of the boat is showing well. It does have nice sheen to it. There is a little bit of oxidization and the odd little scuff. Overall, the gel is showing well. It does have a nice sea deck flooring upgrade on both the swim platform as well as the interior of the boat. Now, the upholstery is all showing quite well. The boat could use a little bit of a detail. Hopefully you can see past the dust. It, for the most part, just needs a good wipe down. Upholstery is showing well. No major discoloration. I think a good scrub and it will come up very nice. You've got your cockpit sink. It does come with a cockpit table. You can see the table mount there. Courtesy lights on the interior of the boat. Nice settee, as well as a dual cockpit helm chair. It does have full instrumentation on the dash. GPS. I believe it's got a GPS and fish finder. They're both a little bit dated, but everything shows well. Moving up to the deck. Deck shows well. No signs of concerns. Everything's nice and tidy. So we'll go down into the cabin. Down into the cabin, the galley has full amenities, refrigerator, sink, cooktop. I believe this is an alcohol cooktop, as well as microwave, Clarion sound system, and the V-berth also does convert into a settee. And you've got a couple of lights. This boat also does an aft cabin as well. They've done a great job of packing in quite a bit of room in this small package. Nice double berth, lots of room. And then a nice clean head. Everything shows really well. No discolorations or major blemishes, no real areas of concern. Moving on back. We'll move back and we'll check out inside the bilge. As mentioned, this does have a new block. The engine does look like it's been well maintained. There's a lot of sheen on these black parts. Manifolds look nice and clean. Very little corrosion. It is looking quite tidy. Move back towards the transom. Everything's looking quite clean. Little to no corrosion on the hose, which is fairly common on a boat of this age. Nice tidy engine. So there you have it. That is our 2007 Sea Ray 245 Sundance. This boat is showing very well. No areas of obvious concern. Nice clean upholstery, good gel coat, and a really good clean engine. If you're interested in this boat, give me a call, 0427-162-749, or you can email me at patrick@coastalboatsales.com.au.